my name is Diane and I work with the Virginia Beach Public Library. We are going to make world peace cookies today. I am here with my 3-year-old daughter. You say what your name is. You say, hi everybody, my name is Linnea.
My name is Linnea.
This is Linnea. We're going to make world peace cookies. This recipe comes from Dory Greenspan's cookbook, Baking from My Home to Yours. It is also published in
and
her
it's
other...
yummy for yourself.
It is so yummy. It also is in her cookbook, Dory's Cookies. That came out a few years ago. Both cookbooks you can access with your library card through your Hoopla account. This recipe is so easy. It has some tactile elements, so it's really perfect for making with preschoolers. There are not a lot of ingredients. The measurements are fairly straightforward. There's no eggs. So to me, this is the perfect recipe to make with your preschooler with a lot of patience. Can you wave at the camera and say hi?
Smell it.
Does it smell good?
Yeah.
It does? Alright, pour some in here.
Okay.
We're doing a cup, 1 cup, and 1/4 of a cup. So this is the 1 cup. Good job. Yep. Alright, and I'm going to smooth it out. Oh, thank you. Alright, smooth it out just like that. And I'm going to put it in the bowl to get it ready for us. So there's our 1 cup. Now we need 1/4 of a cup, which is this one. Can you scoop some into there for me? Whoa, good job. Thank you. All right, now we're gonna smooth it out. That's it, that's all we need.
I'm mixing it up for tomorrow.
Oh, all right, we're gonna do 1/2 of a teaspoon of baking soda, and I'm just gonna put that right in there. All right, we need 1/4 of a cup of sugar, so I'll do this one. And then you can help me with the brown sugar, because you're really good at that.
I'm good at it.
Here, I'm looking for the brown sugar, so if I was so smart, I left it in there and I couldn't find it.
What? This?
Yeah, so remember how we do this?
Mm-hmm.
You want to do the spoon part?
Mm-hmm.
All right, can you scoop that in there for me? Oh no. Ooh, good job. Can you flatten it? All right, smush it down. Ooh, very good. That's called packing the brown sugar down. All right, are you ready to make some cookies?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Now,
First, let's unwrap the butter. Can you unwrap the butter?
can I plump it in there?
You can dump it in there. Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Good job. Got to get it all unwrapped. There we go. Very good. All right. Yep. Can you turn it on? Good job. So we're going to cream the butter and we're going to let that go for a few minutes, okay? We're going to make it get nice and fluffy. So while that's going, why don't we sift the flour? Okay, do you want to pour that in here?
Yes.
All right. All right, can you go ahead and sift that, hon? Very good. What colors do you see in there?
The white and brown.
White and
Look,
brown.
it's going down.
It is going down. It's getting less and less. It's going into the bottom.
Yeah.
We're getting all those little clumpies out of there.
Yeah.
You're really good. Thank you so much. What a good helper. All right, you want to put the sugar in for me, hon?
Sure.
All right.
Me?
Yeah.
This in here?
Right in there. Is that everything? Yep. Our bowl is empty. So then we're gonna, to the sugar, add our salt. I'll have you pour it in. This is the fleur de sel. You can use fine sea salt. I just had this. I think it was from Trader Joe's. You want to pour that in there?
Mm-hmm.
Good job. And then the vanilla.
Can I do the vanilla?
Yeah, I'll pour it in the cap.
And I pour.
And you pour it right in there, okay? Oh my goodness, what a good helper.
Okay,
All right.
Now just put it
Now
down.
we put it down.
Okay, now
All right, be careful, good job. So we'll cream the butter and the sugars together, and it gets nice and fluffy, and it kind of turns a really nice light brown. We'll just
to 4.
to 4. Okay, let's leave it at 4. Should we sing a song while we wait? All right, what song should we sing? Together, together, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Do you think that's done? Should we take a look?
Yeah.
It looks really good. I think we're making some world peace here, don't you?
Yeah. What else do we need for it?
All right, do you remember? What do you think we put in there next? There's only one thing or two things left besides the chocolate chip one thing. What did we sift together earlier?
This.
Yes. Can we pour that in together?
Yeah.
Let's pour that in together. I'm gonna do that. All right, be really careful. Really good. Shake, shake, shake. Put it all in there. All right, so it's kind of crumbly, so that's when I pour in the bittersweet chocolate chips. Is that delicious? Yeah, I'm so glad. All right, so it's pretty much come together. And then this is the fun part for preschoolers. So I have parchment paper here.
Can I do cookie dough again?
Yep, we're gonna do cookie dough again. So what I'm gonna do is pour out the cookie dough. So this is where it gets really tactile. You know, obviously make sure you have clean hands and all of that. But you get,
clean hands.
yep, we washed our hands. So we're gonna pour the cookie dough out onto our parchment paper. At this point, it's still really, really crumbly, and that's okay. That's sort of the way it is. All right, and so we're gonna press it together. Can you press that together, Linnea? Really good. And we're gonna try to make it one.
Try it, Mommy.
We're gonna try to make it one uniform piece. This makes 2 logs of cookie dough.
Here one.
Thank you. What's really nice about this dough is you can take the log out and cut 1 or 2 cookies and bake it fresh. It keeps for a really nice long time. I know. All right, let's take our dough cutter and we're gonna cut it in half. Help me. Good. So now how many pieces do we have?
I eat it.
Did you eat it? Is that good? How many pieces? 1, 2. So we're gonna slide one back here. Like I said, it's really crumbly and that is okay and normal.
Yeah.
Okay, so can you help me form this into a log, Nay? Honestly, I probably could have mixed this for another second or 2, but the less that you work your dough, the better your cookie is. Besides the fact that our hands are gonna be all over it here, so we're working the dough as it is. All right, so what we're gonna do, parchment paper, and I'm just gonna roll it and squeeze it to really compact the dough. That's a chocolate chip. Okay, and that's sort of what it looks like. It's, like I said, it's okay if it breaks apart. It is okay. You just smush it back together. Dory talks about that in her cookbook. So then get some plastic wrap. And you're just gonna take your log of dough, sorry, hon, and you're gonna wrap it up really tight, and you're gonna stick it in the fridge. So here's one that I had already. Can you feel the difference?
Ooh, cold.
Yeah, it's nice and cold. Do you want to help me cut some cookies?
That's the one we just made?
Yeah, we made that the other day. You want to help me cut some cookies with this? So these are fairly thick. It says 1/2 inch. I, don't measure. We just wing it. So see how that kind of crumbled? That's fine. You just kind of shove it back together. All right, you want to help me press it down? So this is a dough cutter. Usually I use a knife, but this is a little easier for her to actually help me cut the cookies with. So that's fairly thick. I might not would cut that so thick all the time, but to be honest, you really can't mess this up. Does that look good? Should we make 4 cookies?
Yeah, let's make 4.
All right, how about right there?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so fun. So this the oven is set to 325, so it's a little bit lower than normal cookies. And you just put them in for 12 minutes. And they might not look 100% done when you take them out. That's okay. So I hope you enjoy World Peace Cookies. Please let me know if you make them, especially if you make them with your preschooler. Good luck. Prepping beforehand, key. If you have all your ingredients out, have all of your measurement tools ready to go, it's really not that hard. And they really, really love to be involved in something that you're involved in. Children learn best by doing, and they love doing things with you, as you can see. So I hope you have a great day, you stay safe, and that you enjoy your World Peace Cookies.